In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change voice pitch in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll log in, choose a voice, adjust the key settings that influence pitch and expressiveness, and generate a preview to confirm the results. First, log into your account. On your screen, open ElevenLabs, click Log In, and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Next, click Text to Speech. You'll see the text editor area where you can type or paste your script, and controls for selecting a voice and adjusting its behavior. Now, select your preferred voice. Click the Voice drop-down or Voice card and choose the voice you want to modify. Starting with a voice that's close to your target sound will make subtle pitch changes more effective. From here, open the Voice Settings panel. You look for the Settings icon or link near the selected voice and click it. This panel controls how the voice performs, including how steady or expressive it sounds. Adjust stability. Move the stability slider to set how consistent the voice remains from word to word. Lower values make the delivery more dynamic, allowing more natural rises and falls in pitch. Higher values keep the voice steady and flatter, with less pitch movement. For a more noticeable pitch contour, drag stability down slightly, then pause. Small changes go a long way, so make a modest adjustment first to avoid overdoing it. Next, adjust style or style exaggeration if it's available for your voice. Increasing style exaggeration boosts expressiveness, which can push phrases to land higher or lower and add emphasis. If you want livelier pitch variation, you move this slider up a bit. If you prefer a subtler change, keep it moderate. If the control isn't present for your chosen voice, continue with the settings you've changed so far. These two settings work together. Stability shapes how stable the pitch is overall, and style exaggeration amplifies those expressive shifts. Once that's done, generate the audio and preview it. In the text-to-speech editor, type or paste a short sample of the script you want to test. Click Generate. Then, press play to listen closely to the pitch and tone. Pay attention to how the voice rises and falls at the ends of sentences and on emphasized words. If the pitch still feels too flat, return to the Voice Settings panel and lower stability a little more, or increase style exaggeration slightly. If the pitch swings feel too strong or dramatic, raise stability or reduce style exaggeration. Click Generate again to update the preview and listen. Repeat small adjustments until the voice matches the pitch and expressiveness you want. This back and forth is normal and helps you dial in a natural sound without artifacts. At this point, your changes are active for the selected voice. If you switch to a different voice, remember to open the Voice Settings panel again and adjust stability and style exaggeration there as needed. When you're satisfied, keep the settings as they are and generate the full audio for your script. You've now changed the voice pitch behavior in ElevenLabs using the stability and style controls, generated audio, and confirmed the result in a preview. Everything is set and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.